I'm sitting into a child's pose. So most of the time, people won't be able to sit their butt all the way down here. They'll be somewhere in between. And if they say they feel their knees at all, just back it off to where they don't feel it. Either bring the knees in closer or have them sit more forward. So if they can go wide with the knees, then sit back, heels to butt, and then forehead comes down. So you're going to get a really deep stretch of the inner thighs here. Forehead down, inner thigh stretch. And then you can go, hands go to the right and then down. And you want to hold each of these for about 30 seconds. Hands go to the left and then down and then back to center and then down. So each one of these is about 30 seconds. So what this does is loosen these deep muscles of the inner thigh in order that it doesn't pull on the low back. The other one is wide knee free squat. So on this one, you'll notice that my legs are out real wide. My weight is on the outside of my foot here. So I don't have any weight here. My weight is all out here and my weight is rotated out. And then I'm going to take my elbows and push my knees wider to get this, like, it's a little bit different than the child's pose stretch. It's just a little bit different in the inner thigh. So I'm going to stretch that and sort of sit into it. And that gets that deep inner thigh stretch as well. Both of these really good for the low back.